Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School.
In this video, learn English for beginners. Body parts. Let's repeat the previous lesson. 80th lesson. Let's repeat the previous lesson. Simple dialogue. Have you anything interesting to read?
What books do you prefer?
I like this book, but this text is very difficult. Can you give me a hand?
Yes, of course.
How about a cup of coffee?
Oh, thanks, you're very kind.
Did you see David?
He called me and told me he felt ill.
I thought he went home. His trousers are full of holes.
Really?
Yes, I saw it, but he told me, that doesn't concern you. Go away.
This boy is too cheeky, he had better keep quiet.
I agree with you. He's really cheeky, but he's our friend.
We can give him a hand.
How do you want to do it?
We had better buy a new pair.
Let's drink for it. Chin chin.
No, I'm very tired. I'm going to bed.
Second wave. 24th lesson. Let's listen and repeat.
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say see you soon for another video.